Touch me. I long to hold you in my arms. I long to keep you safe from harm. I haven't been doing this English thing for very long, so I'll chant in my native tone. Ador leone anu kejahos Sotabutim tatrokni Nuk asuganto Anushanzor fi ayunati Anzur jani. Has there ever been a pure connecting between a woman and a man? Purer than Eden before Adam's transgressing, a pure this world doesn't overstand. Where they are connected from the mere contemplating of them both walking hand in hand. They say that a man that has found a good woman has truly found himself a great thing. So you might as well be naked, because right now all I see is your soul. And if you bear with me a moment, I'll heal you in my native tone.